My name is Amita Naidu. I heard from my family friend about Jacob. So I called him and showed my kitchen. And he came over, he saw everything, said, "Don't stress out, I'll take care of everything." And he did. He made an amazing kitchen for me. So when Jacob showed me the design, what he was going to do, I just had just a little bit of changes, and after all, he did an amazing job. My best part is my breakfast bar and my pantry, which gives me more spacious space to put my things in. And yeah, all the cupboards look so nice. You pull it, it's just like amazing. I chose the color of my kitchen because my walls are creamy and my granite is a bit darker. So I wanted to have something which is not too dark, not too light. And I think that's the perfect color for me. I recommend Kitchen Cabinets and Stones very highly to anyone who wants reliable, friendly, economical, and good pricing and very friendly staff. Kitchen Cabinet and Stones, best price guaranteed.
Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I've met you guys by accident. I met you guys on Trade Me because I was looking for the cheapest deal. I didn't have the choice. I've owned this house for nearly 20 years. I had a vision, I had a dream. I went to Kitchen Cabinet and Stone. I managed to pull out and express this kitchen idea three-dimensionally and was totally understood by your sales staff. It was great to have a one-on-one discussion with people that understood, that had 3D imaging computer for me to see what the finished product would look like without the colors, of course. Just by closing my eyes, I already saw myself there. It was just a time of bringing my measurements, the length, the depth, the width, how tall, and the rest was done beautifully through communications. Suggesting Kitchen Cabinet and Stones to somebody else is not for the faint-hearted, depending on the budget you have. I had a very low budget and my budget was very low indeed. This explains the creativity of this kitchen. If you've got the money, employ the professional and you'll be better off on Mission Bay having a nice pina colada. I've chosen to get my hands dirty, to put on the penny and to be the builder's apprentice throughout the way. It was an amazing experience. Have faith, be supported, and Kitchen Cabinet and Stones will be there with you along the way. Kitchen Cabinet and Stones, best price guarantee.
Welcome to Kitchen Cabinets and Stones. Kitchen Cabinets and Stones is a premium manufacturer, supplier and installer of top-quality European kitset kitchens, kitchenettes, modular flat-packed kitchen cabinets and accessories, having showrooms in Auckland, North and South, Hamilton, Wellington. Our aim is to provide a quick, easy and budget-friendly solution to building a new kitchen. From complete new kitchens to individual cabinets, our team have a solution for you to meet any budget. Our stock standard kitchen cabinets and doors are made in Europe, specifically designed and manufactured for New Zealand market. Custom items are manufactured in our local factory using European imported raw materials. All cabinets are standard New Zealand sizes and come in a wide variety of widths so that you can always fit what you want into your space. Thanks to the latest in European manufacturing technologies, we are able to provide our customers with unbeatable value for money. We can provide you flat-packed or fully assembled cabinets to make your DIY kitchen a real breeze. Whether it is for your own home, a rental property, or you are putting your house on the market, we have a range of cabinet systems to suit your budget. It can be as simple as selecting the cabinets you need and taking them with you the same day. If you require installation services and help measuring and planning your space, we can also organize this with our professional installers. If you want to get stuck in yourself and save money on installation, all cabinets come flat packed with easy-to-follow assembly instructions and parts lists, so that even those new to DIY can proudly assemble their own kitchen. We allow you the freedom to choose your own layout and design using our helpful 2D and 3D planning tools. This helps to keep the costs down so that we can offer the best prices in the country without compromising on quality. As we expand, our distributor showrooms around the country give everyone the opportunity to see and feel our kitchens for themselves before they buy. Because our cabinets are flat-packed, we are able to deliver to almost anywhere in New Zealand without extortionate freight costs. Call us on 094 144903 or write to us at info@kitchencabinets.co.nz or visit our page .kitchencabinets.co.nz.
Looking to upgrade your kitchen with high quality cabinets and stone surfaces? Here's why Kitchen Cabinets and Stones is the only choice for homeowners, builders and designers across the country. 12,000 square meters of manufacturing power. Our state-of-the-art factory is where craftsmanship meets innovation. And with our best price guarantee, you're not just getting top tier quality, you're getting the best deal on the market.